Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. This is George, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Baby Doge Coin on Gateio with very low gas fees. So watch the video until the end. Don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And one more important thing, I want to remind you that this is just a video tutorial how to buy this coin and it's not a financial advice. So let's begin our short video tutorial how to buy Baby Doge Coin on Gateio. So the first thing you need to do is to create Gateio account, of course if you don't have it. So in the comment section you will find out the sign up link. Click this link and go to the Gateio sign up page, or if you got the account, just log into your account. After we log into our account, the next thing we need to do is to buy USDT, because to buy Baby Doge Coin we need to swap USDT to it. Go to buy crypto. I prefer to use credit card and then click it. Currency purchased, here you should choose USDT. Here is the search bar, just type USDT in the search bar and choose USDT in this gap. Here you should choose the amount. The minimum amount you are paying is 30 USD, so I will choose 30 USD and we will buy 30 USD worth USDT on Gateio. I prefer to use Banksa. You can also check other service providers. For me, Banksa is comfortable, so I will choose Banksa. And here you can see for 30 USD we will buy 28.28 USDT and the fees are about 60 cents. So the fees are very low. You should click the tick here and go to purchase. Here you should click create order and fill all of these gaps. So after you will finalize your payment, then you will have USDT on your Gateio wallet. So after we will buy USDT, then we need to swap this USDT to Baby Doge. The next thing we need to do is go to trade, click spot trading, and then in the search bar let's type Baby Doge. Here you can see the Baby Doge coin. You should choose it, and then here you should type the USDT you are going to pay. For example, let's type 2 USDT and we will buy this amount of Baby Doge coins. Then you should click buy, confirm order, and here you can see we placed an order and we bought this amount of Baby Doge coins. So guys, we bought Baby Doge Coin on Gateio with very low gas fees, and now we can check our wallet. So for that we should go to the wallet here in the top right corner of the website, and then here you should choose spot account. And when you go to this page, here you can see our Baby Doge coins. We have got this amount of Baby Doge coins. Above you see the USDT balance left to your wallet. So that's all I wanted to tell you in this video. I think that it's very simple to buy Baby Doge Coin on Gateio, because Gateio has very simple interface. This is one of the top exchanges where you can buy crypto with very low gas fees. So you can stay on this platform and you can continue trading on Gateio. Thank you for watching, thank you for clicking like button, and thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.